In this video, we are going to look at the command Chamfer in Autodesk Inventor. In the previous video, we looked at fillet and we learnt that fillet is to curve shapes. So chamfer is going to do something similar, but this time it's going to put the shape at an angle. So the first thing we're going to do is start off with sketching a square, making a cube. So click New, go to Metric, make sure we're on standard millimeters, and then press Create. We're then going to go up to Start a 2D Sketch, and I'm going to click the XZ plane. Once I've done that, I'm going to go to Rectangle, and I'm going to drop down to my 2-point center rectangle, and I'm going to draw a box. I'm then going to use the Dimension tool to dimension the top line to 50 and the side line to 50. Now, like fillet, chamfer can be made in 2D Sketch and in 3D Sketch. So first of all, I'm going to show you it in 2D Sketch. So I can click chamfer, which is just dropping down the fillet menu. And I'm going to make again the distance 25. Now, we don't have to worry about the angle just now. You might look at changing the angle when you get into higher or advanced higher, but right now we're just going to keep it at the default, which is 45 degrees, and we're just going to make the distance 25. I'm then going to select the top line and the side line, and the top line and the side line. So you can see here that I have chamfered both of these lines. I can then go to Finish Sketch, and I can extrude up 50. And you can see that we have made the little house by using chamfer. Now, similar to fillet, it can also be done in 3D, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So again, I'm going to click New. I'm going to make standard millimeter, and I'm going to start a sketch, and I'm going to make my cube 50 by 50, just like I done at the start. So dimension the top line and the side line. I am then going to finish the sketch. I'm then going to go to Extrude, and I'm going to extrude up 50, so that I've extrude added. And for the demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make the little step that we made in video 2. So I'm going to start a sketch here. I'm going to change the rectangle to the 2-point center rectangle, and I'm going to draw a rectangle 25, or a square 25 by 25. And then I'm going to extrude, subtract this, so changing it to flipped and changing it to cut. And you can see now that I've got the little step. So to use chamfer in 3D Sketch, again, is in the Modify menu, and you can see it's up beside fillet. And just like before, I'm going to set the distance to 25, and I'm going to select the line that I want to chamfer. So in this case, I've selected this back line, and you can see now I have the angled back to my cube. Once I've done that, that's how we use chamfer. So again, I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I'll save it into my technical folder.